So after you dump that up in there, you're gonna grab, gotta have the sausage up in there. Gotta throw the sausage. It only goes right if you got the sausage. Next, the combination of, oh my God, this is some hella motherfucking pasta sauce, y'all. This ain't your normal. This ain't your normal now. This shit you're fucking with. Gotta have the onion in there for that flavor. Come on now. Don't be selfish with it. And you know you want everything to cook down so it's nice and tender when it's ready. You know what I mean? You gotta have it like that. You gotta have it like that now. Come on. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I got the fresh basil, fresh rosemary. Come on, man. You know your boy ain't playing. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get you right and ready. Now this is 4 hours in the making. Slow simmer, get that flavor and get it nice and cohesive.